In the last episode, we have created login and registration system and connected with the database. So if I try to log in here with my credentials, yes, I can go to the home page. But what if I try to access login page after this? I am again redirected back to the home page. Similarly, if I am not logged in, I try to access my home page. I cannot do, and even I redirected to my login page. Why this is going to happen, and actually how this is going to happen. So here comes our middlewares. The role of middleware is to check every request and its authenticity. So whenever I'm trying to access my home page, then the middleware comes and it says, hey, you are not logged in. First go and log in. So it's redirecting me to login page. So that's why we need middleware to protect our route with certain condition. Or suppose you want to do something before every request, then also we need a middleware. But what exactly a middleware is? So think about middleware is a guard which is going to check every request and corresponding response. And to show where the middleware is situated, if I go to this page, and you can see we have a sandwich, and between the slices of bread, all these things is like a middleware. So it's between request and response. Whenever a request comes, that request has to go with the middleware. Then middleware will check the details, whatever we are going to define. In this case, we just saw that it is going to check whether the user is logged in or not. Then it will respond with the condition we have defined. Like if I am not logged in, the response will be to redirect to login page. If I am logged in, the response will be like to show me the home page. So the middleware is taking care of, or it's taking care of request and the intended response. So it's like, again, it's like a guard which is going to show which path to follow after having a request. If you want to learn more advanced stuffs and work on real projects, head over to bitfumes.com/courses section, where all Udemy courses are here and some of the premium courses just for this website. So you can just subscribe to this website with a minimum amount on the plan section at the bottom, and then you can have everything unlocked with no advertisement, no hello hi, just pure learning. We will meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.